I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locating the hidden photos and preparing a safe channel to move them. On iOS, open Photos and unhide or access hidden album. On Android, use Gallery or a file manager to reveal. No media folders. Once done, make sure you have enough storage and that encryption or a passcode won't block transfer. Choose your backup path now: cloud, local PC, or encrypted drive. This initial step prevents data loss and sets a clear route for a secure backup. Now export the hidden items as original files so you preserve metadata and quality. Avoid screenshots. Use the app's export or share feature to copy originals to a temp folder. Next, transfer via a secure channel, USB to a computer, encrypted cloud service, or a local encrypted transfer app over Wi-Fi. As you move files, verify they opened correctly and match size or preview. Make sure file names and timestamps are preserved, so the backup is a faithful duplicate of the hidden set. Complete the process by creating at least one redundant backup, preferably encrypted, and confirm both copies open and match. Once verified, rehide the originals or securely delete temporary exports and empty the trash to maintain privacy. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. If sync fails, check app permissions, enable background transfer, disable aggressive battery optimization, or use a manual USB copy. Finally, document where backups live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.